Hi everyone. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about Shoparoo. I am a little late getting on the bandwagon, but downloaded the app today in the light of the holiday season and all of the shopping we might be doing. And so I thought I would give you a quick tutorial so you could know a little bit more about Shoparoo yourself and how we can very easily raise money through our PTA for our students here at Milliken. So, the first thing you need to do is on any smartphone device, you will go to your App Store or Google Play and download the Shoparoo app. And it is right here. The glare is kind of bad, but it is a green little square, and what you do is you just download that and then you will search for a school, which will be our school, Milliken. And there are two options, a Milliken in Arizona and then our Milliken in lovely Geneseo. So go ahead and download that app. It will ask you a couple of very simple questions, just your name, but even that is optional. And then you'll go through a couple of pages of a tutorial, less than 5 minutes, so super easy. Then any receipt you have, I love Target, so here's my nice long Target receipt. You will go ahead and just pull up the camera on the Shoparoo app, and then it is so easy. All you have to do is just take your phone, snap a picture, and then if it's a long one, you just scroll down and you snap again. And then you hit done. It's super easy. After you hit done, it will just ask you one more question. Who was the person shopping? And you will select yourself. It just asks adult male, adult female, super easy. And then how you liked your shopping experience. So Shoparoo operates under the premise of basically market research. So your information isn't shared. However, it just is used to kind of build that data research for the types of things that people are shopping for. And as a return, Shoparoo, different buyers and organizations then have money that is then available to schools as an incentive. So a super easy, free way to earn and make some money for our schools without a huge fundraising effort. So if you're interested, again, Shoparoo, super easy app. Download it for this holiday shopping, snap those receipts, and earn free dollars for our students. Thanks.